Hello, Christina again. Welcome to AceVacuums in Leesburg, the flagship home of the best vacuums in the world. We've been serving the DMV for over 25 years. Today, we're doing a rapid-fire FAQ to solve your cleaning problems once and for all. Kirk to you. 1. Why should I drive to Leesburg instead of buying from Amazon? Answer, Amazon doesn't have a repair shop. When you buy from us, we are your local warranty hub. Plus, we'll let you test drive any Miele or SEBO on real carpet before you buy it. Q. 2. Which brands do you sell in the Leesburg store? Answer. We specialize in the best: Miele, SEBO, Riccar, and Dyson, along with commercial brands like ProTeam. Q. 3. Is it true you are an Authorized Warranty Center? Answer. Yes. For Miele, SEBO, Dyson, Riccar, Hoover, and many more. We handle the paperwork, you get a fixed vacuum. Q4, do you offer same-day repair? Answer, if we have the part in stock, yes. We have the largest inventory of vacuum parts in Northern Virginia. Q5, my Dyson battery is dead. Can you fix it? Answer, absolutely. We stock genuine Dyson batteries and can test your machine to make sure it's the battery and not a motor clog. Q6, what if my vacuum is 20 years old? Is it worth fixing? Answer, if it's a Miele, SEBO, or Kirby, usually yes. If it's a big box store plastic model, we'll be honest with you. We offer free estimates, so you can decide. Q7, tell me about your trade-in program. Answer, bring us your old broken vacuum. We'll give you a credit, up to $100 depending on the model, toward a high-end machine that will last 20 years. Q8, do you service central vacuums? Answer, we are the DMV's go-to for central vacs. Whether it's a clog in the wall, a broken motor, or you want to upgrade to a hide-a-hose system, we come to you. Q9, where do you provide central vacuum service? Answer, all over Northern Virginia, Maryland, Bethesda, Potomac, Frederick, and Washington, D.C. Q10, can I buy bags and filters for my old vacuum? Answer, yes. We carry bags for almost every brand ever made, even the ones that aren't sold in stores anymore. Q11, what is the best vacuum for pets and allergies? Answer, in Leesburg, the Miele cat and dog and the SEBO E3 are our top sellers. They have hospital-grade HEPA filtration that kills odors and traps 99.9% of dander. Q12, do you sell commercial cleaning equipment? Answer, yes. We supply local schools, hotels, and cleaning businesses with backpack vacuums, floor scrubbers, and heavy-duty parts. Q13, I live in Maryland. How far is your Leesburg store? Answer, we are just across the river. Only about 25 minutes from Frederick or Germantown via Route 15. Q14, do you offer financing? Answer, yes. We offer shop pay and other financing options so you can get a premium vacuum for a small monthly payment. Q15, why is AceVacuums different from a big box store? Answer, expertise. We don't just sell boxes, we know the machines inside and out. We are technicians first, salespeople second. Q16, how do I find you? Answer, we are at 300 Fort Evans Ard NE, Suite 104, right next to Home Depot in Leesburg.